Hello everybody. So welcome to the class. This is the orientation video that describe about this class. So first of all, I'm gonna describe how to utilize Blackboard because you will utilize the Blackboard the most, and then all the materials are in there. And then you will submit homework and then take exam, also submit the lab through the Blackboard. So knowing how to use a Blackboard is really important for you. Okay, so let's begin then. So at the beginning, you are going to tune BMC's Blackboard. Then this is your opening page of the Blackboard after logging in. And then find your course. So here's our class. So click that. Then this is our basically class Blackboard site here. And now, where do you have to click? Please click course material, because this is a folder that you will utilize the most, and that all this information you can find out. Okay, so as you see, so you will see the weekly folder, so which means click each weekly folder, then you will find out all the material you have to know, and then you have to cover for the following that week. Okay, so let's look at week one folder then. So week one folder, then you will see study guide, and then so this is the overview statistics, so that we're covering just the overview topic, and you're reading BMCC OER textbook, and then lesson note lesson one, and this is assignment here. And now all this video, overview statistic and variables and the type of data and population sample, all these video are related to week one topic basically. And now if you go down here, then you will see week one assignment link here. That's the link you can submit your homework. So if you click that, then you will see, as you see this one show up here, so you know what to do. And then after solving all this problem, and you just save it as a PDF file. So I will let you know how to create single PDF file the following video really soon, and then post on the Blackboard. So you will see that really soon anyway. So please watch the video and know how to do it. And then just solving all the question and save it, and just upload using browse my computer and choose your file and open it basically. So I'm gonna just whatever, I just do that, and then you just click submit, then you are doing that basically. Okay, but my case, this is example, so I choose whatever I have it on my document folder, but you have to choose the file which is your work basically. Okay, then now you may wonder where you can find this OER textbook and then lesson note here. Okay, so go back to course material folder again, and then go to bottom here, then you will see lesson notebook, and then ebook, and recommended calculator, and Z table, and T table basically. So all those are you require material, and that you will utilize very soon. Especially this lesson note, you will use the most with textbook basically. Okay, then now all the homeworks are assigned from this lesson note here. So let me click one file. So I just give you both PDF file and then DOC file, and then it is up to you which one you upload. But if you have Apple computer like a MacBook and MacBook Air like that, then I recommend you better download PDF file. But if you have just regular PC, then you can upload DOC file as well. And then I just click download here and save and open it. So this is lesson note basically. Okay. So now, so here I just go back to week one folder again. And now it shows that lesson note lesson note lesson 1, page 45, 1 to 28, then basically they all are from this lesson note. So page 45, and then find out the following question number and solve it. I recommend you can just using the blank paper and then just write it down and take picture and convert it to PDF file, of course single PDF file, and then submit it. Then you are fine to complete all this work. Okay, so as I told you, I'm gonna upload how to make a single PDF file video clip really soon. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so that's the lesson note here. And now about the textbook. So of course course material again. So course material, then you will see ebook, then click that. Then we are using basically OpenStack ebook, but I just make it one textbook PDF file so you can have it like this. Okay, so of course I recommend you can save it on your computer and then you can use it whenever you need to do. Okay, then now let's review our course syllabus here. So course syllabus, if you click course information, then you can find out. So course information, then just click syllabus. Okay, then it will ask you to save. I save already, so I'm not going to do it again, but save and open it. Then you will have this file here. Okay, so among this really important information is, so I just attach two different emails here. Okay, then why I'm attaching two different emails? Because I'm getting a lot of email into my BMCC account. So sometimes I may miss your email. It doesn't mean I don't receive it because there's so many emails. So later on, your email moved back like a second or third page. So, I often miss my students' email. That's the reason I also attach a Gmail account so that you can email me through the Gmail. Then it is always guaranteed I can read your email. And then if you need my immediate response, just ask me at the end of your email. Please reply me immediately or at my earliest convenience, something like that. Then I will do that. Okay. All right. Then now, so if you look at here, so this is a topic which we will cover, okay? And now, the important part is the student's requirement and information here. Okay, so student must participate in the class weekly and complete each week course material. Okay, so I showed you already what to do every week. And then number two, when students submit homework, exam, and final exam, they must include the work on how to find the answers. Okay, so I have been teaching online class now about more than 2 years, and then I often see that some students just submit the answer, and they always make some excuse that, oh, I know what to do, I know how to solve this question. That's why I didn't show my work. So, but I'm not with you, this online class, so there's no way I can check it. So unless you show your work, then you will get 0. I'm sorry, but it is true. So please make sure you show your work. Okay. Now, students are required to create single document PDF file for their submission of homework, exam, and final exam. Okay. What if you just submit multiple files? Then I'm gonna only create the first paper, and then that's it. And also, when you submit your PDF file, please make sure you are submitting in order, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Especially when I create your exam or final exam, if we mixed up the order, like your users number 1 and number 5 and number 2 and number 7, something like that, it's really hard to grade. Okay, therefore, what if I see your first number is number 3, then which means I'm gonna neglect your number 1 and 2 because you didn't show the number 1 and 2 first. So I'm gonna start grading number 3. Even though I find your number 1 and number 2 later, I disregard those questions. So please make sure you submit any homework, exam, and final exam in order. Okay? If you submitted descending order, like a maximum to minimum, you must indicate that, oh, I submitting in descending order like that, which means you have to show all these questions from the latest question to first question. Okay, always making order, but I recommend ascending order, so your job and my job can be much easier. Okay, now number 4, if students have any issue, they must notify Professor Lee. In this case, Professor Lee accept any late submission, but here, each homework is value a maximum of 70% and 80% of each exam. What does that mean? So let's say you just email me, Professor Lee, because I have to work, so I have to submit my this week homework maybe on Monday or Tuesday. I totally accept that, but it is considered a late submission, so it is value only 70%. Now, let's say we have exam on this Thursday, but you cannot take it, so you are making reschedule with me. Of course, I will do that for you, but your maximum score will be 80 instead of 100%. Okay, please make sure. And now, when you write an email to me, please review and clarify what you want to say thoroughly before sending an email to me. The reason I'm doing this way because you sometimes just ask me, Professor, what's the homework this week? Without indicating your name, your class number, and so on. Then I don't know, which class you are from because I'm teaching about 3 different classes even in this semester. So, if you just email me like that, then my first response will be, I don't recognize which class you are from, also your name either. Even though you indicate your name, but you didn't indicate your class number, then I also comment that I need to know your class number first. Okay? So you may think I can find which class you're from easily, but that's not true because I'm teaching multiple number of classes. So please indicate your name and class number. That's the first thing you have to do it. And now, second part here. Any email sounds unclear, aggressive, and disrespectful, then I may not respond to you. Okay? One example. So there's some students email me. So, sometimes even though I read your email, but I didn't have enough time to respond because I was doing something else. Then it can be some little bit delayed to respond to you. And now some students email me back like this. Hey, did you read my email? I sent you like a couple hours ago. That's not respected email, right? And then also, hey, I emailed you a couple more times. You never respond to me. Hurry up. This is really aggressive. Then, even though I email you back, but, I don't feel good, right? So please don't do that anyway. Okay, so now the last part, evaluation. So exam will be total 40%, and the homework will be 15%, and your project, which I'm gonna make another video clip and then explain thoroughly more, that will be 15%, and weekly discussion 10%, and final exam 20%. So overall total become 100%. Okay, all those scores are posted on the Blackboard, so you will see immediately whenever you submit homework, whenever you clear exam, and there's something else. Okay, so this one now, and then I'm gonna just create another video for you, and then let you know soon again. Okay, bye.